Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add tokens on Phantom Wallet. So guys, first of all you need to go to your app store and download the Phantom Wallet application. If you're having trouble with that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have a video about that there. Then you just need to go and connect your wallet to the Phantom Wallet. But guys, if you're again having problems with that, we also have a YouTube video about that on our channel, so go and see that there. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the account where you can go and receive, buy, and send tokens. You can always also manage your token list, as you can see. Also, you have your collectibles, which at the moment I don't have any, but you have a search bar where you can go and type for your collectibles. We have the swap token option where you can go and swap your tokens. So you can click here to do that like that. Also, we have the recent activity where all of your recent activity will be stored in one place. At the moment, I don't have any recent activity. That's why it's empty for me. But be sure when you have some, it will appear here. Also, the last option is here where we can go and search or type a URL. We have sites, tokens, quests, and learn. So whatever we want to do about that. And also here we have in the top left corner, we have your settings where you can manage your accounts, preferences, security and privacy, active networks, address book, connected apps, developer settings, help and support, and about Phantom. But now guys, let's see how to add tokens to Phantom. Well, you need to launch your Phantom application and log into the wallet for the main home page. Tap on the manage token list, which we have here as you can see. Then at the bottom, you need to go and toggle on the button next to tokens you want to add. For example, maybe Ethereum if you want, basically. And after toggling, the added tokens should appear in your watch list. So basically, this is what you need to do. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.